How to report Facebook account permanently delete. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can report a Facebook account and have it permanently deleted, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now let's say that there is a spam account on, let's say, your Facebook account, and then there is someone in a spam one. Now what we can do is we can report his profile and have it request for deletion. Reporting is up to us, but deleting it is up to Facebook. So if Facebook thinks that this person violates the rules and guidelines of Facebook and Meta community as a whole, they are going to basically ban the accounts. Now I don't have anything against this person, I'm only showing it for the tutorial purpose. You basically have to tap the three dots option here and then just tap on this option known as report profile. You can just choose a reason as to why you would like to report it, and having it deleted is not up to us, it is actually up to Facebook, but you can basically report it. So hope this video helped you as to how you can report a Facebook account and have it permanently deleted. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.